This again. I basically am recording like just after my last one. But oh gosh. So I don't know, I'm gonna chat a little bit about all this again because someone died, or was that snow? What the Oh no, something died. Oh, it was probably the like zombies or something. I'm gonna go in the mines actually. Or wait, I gotta go get a new pick. Yeah, I have to make a new pick, actually. I have two, I think. Why did my voice get so high all of a sudden? Hold on. Okay, so what I need to do right now, I guess, wow, is, because I tried to figure out how to get this thing to, like, stream or whatever on YouTube. Oh, you use YouTube, cringe, or whatever, you want to stream on YouTube, but I don't care. I prefer to stream on YouTube because YouTube can, like, save everything, if that makes sense. I like being able to look back at stuff. So for me, streaming on YouTube is just preferable because I can actually see all the stuff that I've done. And I use Streamlabs, so I could do multi-platform streaming, but it's expensive, and I'm just not. I'm not that kind of guy. Okay, I'm just gonna empty my inventory right now. I'll sort everything out later. If you see that I'm, like, doing a horrible job sorting stuff, shut up. I don't mean that. That was so mean. I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? I'm not talking to anybody. I'm talking to myself while I record an explanation about what I'm planning on doing. Ooh. None of you people know who I am. None of this matters. None of you matter. No, bad. What else can I put in the... Okay, either way, I need like 2 pickaxes, and I'm gonna do 2 iron picks right now. Yeah, I could have sworn I had an iron pick already. Did I lose it? I might have, actually. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go. I need arrows. Dang it. Should I take the arrows of slowness? That's the real question, isn't it? Because I can get more of these by killing. No, I'm gonna put them here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the caves. I hope I don't lose my other weird blue child. So basically what I think I'm gonna do, because I don't want to ever deal... Oh, more black sheep. I'm gonna kill these because, like I said, I kind of am thinking maybe like a carpet floor. What about shears? I'm not wasting my iron. I'm not wasting my iron. You know, I have some pretend... whatever. But anyway. So, I tried like 3 times to figure out how to stream this game, like this mobile game and everything, on YouTube, on Streamlabs, like using Streamlabs or whatever, but it wouldn't go. Oh my god, I feel like I'm actually like losing my mind right now. I don't know what I'm talking about. What is happening? It wouldn't go portrait mode, I think, or it wouldn't go landscape mode, and it's like really frustrating, because, you know, Minecraft is a landscape mode game. I don't really want it in portrait mode when I'm trying to take a video or record this type of gameplay. There might actually be something wrong with me right now. Like, I'm like never normally this. I never normally take this much time to figure out what I'm saying. Anyway. So the problem is, okay, so my room is, like, pretty small. I have the smallest room in my house, basically, which is funny. But it's like when I was little, before my brother, I had like a big playroom, you know? So it's like, for me, I liked having a smaller room. I love my room. I would never change my room. I love my room so much. I don't even want to move out because I'm scared of leaving my room behind. That's pathetic. But, like, I have a really small room, and unfortunately, I don't have the best habits. So my room is disgusting and, like genuinely disgusting. My room smells. That might be TMI. I don't know. My room genuinely smells. Disgusting. Okay, we're going a little bit deeper. Please, Blue Child, don't go too far ahead without me. I don't want to leave you, Blue Child. I don't want to lose you, my child. Anyway, I become really attached to these things, if you couldn't tell. But anyway, so my main issue is I think my best chance of, if I find out that I didn't have my mic on for this whole thing, I'm genuinely gonna do horrible things. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. YouTube censorship, because, like, you are AI now or something. I don't know. I don't actually mean that. I'll do bad things in this game. Anyway, point being, I'm paranoid. Is this picking up? Hold on. Is this picking up my voice? What does this do? What the? Ew, I look ugly. Draw. I'm not gonna. I'm turning this off. Anyway, I really hope this is recording. I set it for microphone. I checked it like twice. Like Santa Claus. Oh my god, there's something wrong with me right now. Okay. God, oh god, oh god. Yeah, come up here. Don't touch my child. Don't touch my blue child. Don't touch my blue child. Don't touch my blue child. Creeper! Oh my god, no. No, no, no. Do not explode. Oh, my child. My blue child is okay. Can something, like... I swear I saw a spider earlier. Can something, like, drop on me from up here? I don't want that to happen. I'll light it up. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, oh god, I hate skeletons so much. I hate skeletons. Hold on, how do I... I'm really bad at shooting. I'm better with a bow and arrow. I don't know why I didn't just take a bow, because I haven't made one yet, that's the thing. Okay, whatever. Oh, there's a spider. Whatever. You know what? I'm just gonna go in. I don't even care. Yeah, die. Damn it. Oh, God. Get out of here. Die. You're not allowed to live. No, not a creeper. Not a creeper, bro. Literally. Oh my god, no. I'm in the water with the creeper. Get away. Yeah, you know what? Blow up. Come over here. Hold on, I gotta check over here. Okay, so there's like a lot of stuff over here. Hold on. Ooh, bad idea. Terrible things are happening. Damn it. Dang it. Sorry, my bad. My parents would freak out if they heard that. Anyway. Okay, at least that Enderman's not gonna follow me, right? I'm in the water. You can't follow me in the water. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, wait, if I stand in the water and I scare the Enderman. No. Not another creeper. Not another creeper. Not another creeper. I'm not doing another creeper. No. You stay away from me. You can blow up. I don't even care. Yeah, you know what? I don't even care. Just not my blue child. Don't hurt my blue child. There's so many. Oh my god, there's so many creepers. I don't. No. Oh my god, no. 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 Oh, no. I'm not. No, not my blue child. Never my blue child. I know there's gonna be so many creepers in here too. This sucks. Skeletons. I hate skeletons. I hate you. Oh my god, I gotta get home. I gotta get home right now. If I run into that thing with the potion of slow whatever, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm actually gonna lose it. At least if I die, I'm like right here, but you know, don't piss me off. I don't wanna die, okay? Nobody ever wants to die. It just kinda happens. I gotta make my own bow. Like, I gotta kill a bunch of spiders, actually. Anyway. I got so off topic. Point being, my room isn't exactly big enough for me to, have a PC set up. Unless I, like, actually cleaned it. Like, if I deep cleaned, and I, like, got rid of a bunch of stuff, I probably could. Do I want to? Yeah. Get over here. Get. No, die. Yeah, jerk. Ooh, yeah, come here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get you before you... Whatever, just give me your brains. Remains, not brains. Just give me your remains. It's fine, too. I wish spiders would spawn near me. Like, so I can make a bow, because I prefer bows over crossbows. Some offense. Isn't there, like, a way you can fix bows? Because I have a bunch of ones from those guys that I've, like, killed. Do you need an anvil for that? Do I want to waste? Ooh, boy. I don't really want to do that, though. Okay, well, point being, alright, so there's, like, a lot going on. I'm gonna take today to just relax. Maybe while I try to explain. I'm gonna replace my ground with whatever this stuff is. We'll keep that there. But anyway, what I was saying before I kept interrupting myself was I don't really have, like, a ton of room for, like, an actual full, like, gaming setup or anything like that. Which is mildly frustrating because I do like gaming. I've really liked gaming for a while, honestly. I've always kind of been, like, a video game person. Some of the games that I really liked as a kid, I really liked Lego Batman. The games. I liked a lot of Lego games. I liked the Star Wars games. I liked Lego Batman games. Specifically Lego Batman 2, because it wasn't that, like, it was, like, the open world one. I really liked it. Though I think there might have been something a little bit wrong with me, because I would often play the Star Wars game, and then turn into R2-D2 specifically so I could run myself off the edge and hear the scream. I thought it was really funny. I really thought it was funny. I thought it was so funny. And I don't really know if that's like a normal thing for people to be doing, but yeah, it's whatever. So anyway, like I said in my other thing, whatever, I really like This sucks. I really like, I like Minecraft. I'd like to get better at Minecraft, and I like video making. I have a passion for it. I gotta make a shovel. This sucks. I hate this. This sucks. I hate everything. I don't, actually. But basically, this is gonna be a long video, I can tell, because I like to yap. I can't shut up. Point being, I think, I wanted to make videos for, like, a while, like, full videos and everything, so I guess this is technically, like, first full video. That's not true. First gaming video. That's not true either, my bad. But basically, what I'm trying to say is, like, I have wanted to make, like, a thing and to do stuff, and I got really into Minecraft streaming when I was, like, 13? Oh, that's a water intruder. I got really into, like, Minecraft streaming and streamers when I was, like, 13 years old, and I thought it was super cool, and I was like, man, I would love to be like that. But, like, you know, not a creep or anything. Not throwing shade. I'm throwing some shade, actually. Sure, whatever, gravel. This is gonna piss some people off, probably. I don't even care. Gravel floor. Look at my beautiful floor. Are you joking? Oh my god, I ran out of gravel. Life isn't worth living without my gravel. Oh, I probably could have done granite, couldn't I have? I could have just done a granite floor, right? Oh, that's ugly. That's, like, so ugly, though. No offense to my granite fans out there. Not the Steven Universe character. I've never watched Steven Universe, but granite from Steven Universe is really pretty, in my opinion. This is the ugliest house I've ever seen. Wow. Anyway. Point being, I don't know. I don't know how to, what is it called? I don't know how to stream on here. Like, on mobile, without it getting all janked up. But I don't know how to stream. I don't want to stream on Twitch, because, like I've said, I really like when it saves, the stuff, because I like being able to watch back old streams, and it always pisses me off that Twitch doesn't do that. Because then it feels like everything is lost media. Oh, cool. But my main thing is, my main go, is that I think maybe I should clean my room. Maybe I should clean my room. Maybe I should stop being such a chud and I should clean my room and, like, actually make it livable. And then I can get a PC set up and become, like, a streamer or something. What is that? Is that a building? No, it's just... That's a wall. That's just a wall of dirt. Okay, I'm going crazy. But yeah, I think maybe, like, that's something I'm gonna try next, in my career. No, I don't have a career. I do. I have a job. I have a job. I have a job. I have a job. But, like, my content creation goals, I guess. Because I do have those. I'd like to become, like, a content creator. Not full-time. I could never do it full-time. I have, like, morals. I have too many morals. I learned that you could do this with shovels on, and I find it very fun. I don't know why. But anyway. I would never like to be a full-time content creator. That's just not my thing. I think I'd like to have a job and still do it, like, most of the time, because I have no life. Dude! Water? You want a bucket of water? But I think that's my goal. My main goal. my main goal is to try to maybe do that because I don't want to get it on laptop. And I've always wanted a PC, generally, and I feel like that's the next logical step in life. Do you want to come in here? No? Okay, whatever. Screw you. Yeah, so that's my next goal in life, I guess, is to really, I can't get that dirt. I don't know why I did that. Is to probably get my room set up in a way that I could, like, set up a laptop, or not laptop, a PC. Get Minecraft on the PC, get everything set up, stream on YouTube until I can comfortably pay that stupidly expensive fee to multi-stream on Streamlabs and do both Twitch and YouTube. I don't want to do both, like, now at all. No. I feel like, I don't know. I like gaming. I've always liked gaming. I could have been a Fortnite streamer. No. No, I couldn't have. I was a girl back then. That doesn't make sense. Sorry, that's a dumb joke. Wait, hold on. Well, I'm here, and I have these 2 extra signs, and I'm just chatting. There. But yeah, I think that's something I want to do, probably. I think, personally, I think it'd be a fun thing for me to do, but I don't really know if anyone else would care, because, honestly, I don't think... I have a lot of social media. That's like a tangent. I have, like, a ton of social media, and this isn't some kind of promo, but I have a ton of different social media sites and stuff that I use, like, a ton. I have, like, a bunch of different art accounts. I have a bunch of different, mostly just art accounts. I mostly just get things to post art. But I'm not just an artist, because I don't even really consider myself an artist. I consider myself, like, a hobby artist, because I'm pretentious. I don't know. Because I'm pretentious and annoying. How do I make carpet? Can I make a bunch of carpet to put over this disgusting mess? Like, my house makes me upset. I'm upset. I'm very upset. I'm angry right now. What? Okay, well, currently my goal is to cover this disgusting floor. Yeah, I think that's something that I kind of want to do, honestly. And I don't really know if anybody would actually care or would want to see that, see Minecraft content from me. But I want to see it for myself, and I quite like Minecraft. And that's really all I gotta say about it, I think. I don't really know where I was going with this. Basically, like, if I really want to do anything, it's gonna take me a really long time to do those things. And seriously, if I wasn't recording my audio this entire time, I'm gonna do horrible, horrible things. Okay, I'm gonna go check. Yay!